Alright, so I'm going to show you to diagnose a misfire. This is on a 2005 Audi A4, the 2.0 turbo. So basically what's happening, we get on it, the car wasn't getting full power and was choppy. So that's when the check engine light started flashing, which means you have misfire. Pull the code. It said it was cylinder 2, which is right here, 2, 3, 4. So what I ended up doing is first I unplugged and I swapped the coil with coil 1 and 2. Drove it again, got it to misfire, checked it again. It was still misfiring in cylinder 2, so the next step is to swap the spark plugs. So I swapped the spark plugs in cylinder 1 and 2 and drove the car around. It misfired again, pulled the code, and it was cylinder 1 this time because I took the spark plug from cylinder 2 and put it in 1. So that's how you basically diagnose it. That's the fast and easy way to do it. So now I'm waiting on a spark plug to put it in, and she should be good to go.